So now that you have all your audio in, you've got your video clipped, you're all done, ready to go, you have to come up here to where it says Finish Video. Your video quality, it's going to default to high, which is fine with me. Don't go with low, but you can go medium if you really want to. Underneath the more options, can't really affect anything, so leave those alone. Hit Export. It's going to pop up as where you want to save it. As usual, I'm going to put things on my desktop because it's easy for me to find it there. I'm going to call it Frank and Love. It's saving as a video file. I hit Export. Okay. This could take a while depending on how long your movie is and how much detail it has. So I'm going to pause my screen recording until mine gets closer to being done. Alright, so now that it's here, sorry. So once you export your movie, it's automatically going to start playing on your computer, as you guys just heard. Or maybe you didn't, but I could hear it on mine. And it pops up in a window down in your taskbar, and you'll hear it. Now that it's in here, it says it's in Photos, called frankandlove.mp4. This MP4 is what we have to be able to post. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to close my Movie Maker file. And then here's our tech page. So for Friday, you had your Audacity tutorial. You had a link for importing sound files. You had an iPhone tutorial that doesn't have any sound. And then it says, movie is due at the end of class. Click here to turn it in. So, I get my student view. So it looks like you guys have it. I click turn in here. It takes you to a discussion board. So you're going to create a post that includes your trailer video. To do that, you're going to hit the Upload Media button on the page and put in this finalized MP4. You cannot put in the Purple Premiere project file or the VSP or whatever the backup file is. Has to be that MP4. This needs to be done before you come to class next time because we're going to be reviewing each other's movies and you won't be able to see anyone else's movies until yours is posted. If you have any questions, feel free to let one of us know.